Example 2. Evaluate cos 165 degrees without using a calculator. Solution. 165 degrees equals 135 degrees plus 30 degrees. Consider a unit circle and 2 points A and B at 135 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. 165 degrees is obtained by rotating the sector containing 30 degrees anti-clockwise until it just touches the other end of the sector containing 135 degrees. The coordinates of the point S will be cos 165 degrees, sine 165 degrees. We can find cos 165 degrees by using the compound angle identity for cosine. Cos alpha plus beta equals cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. Here, alpha equals 135 degrees and beta equals 30 degrees. Cos 135 degrees plus 30 degrees equals cos 135 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sine 135 degrees sine 30 degrees. From special angles and reduction formulae, we know, substituting in the expression for cos 165 degrees, we get, taking the LCM, we get, thus the value of cos 165 degrees is negative root 3 minus 1 all over 2 root 2.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.